Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry beef tender. First, select a lean cut of beef such as flank steak or sirloin. Next, slice the beef thinly, about 1/4 of an inch thick, always cutting against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making the beef much easier to chew. Finally, pat the beef very dry with paper towels before you begin any marinating steps. A fantastic technique for tenderizing is velveting. Combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda per 12 ounces of beef with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix well to coat all the beef pieces evenly. Let the beef marinate for at least 20 minutes, but do not exceed 45 minutes, as too much baking soda can affect the texture negatively. Achieving tenderness also depends on your cooking method. Ensure your wok or skillet is extremely hot, ideally over 400 degrees Fahrenheit, before adding the beef. Cook the beef in small batches to prevent the pan from cooling down, which can steam the meat instead of searing it. Stir-fry each batch quickly, for only 60 to 90 seconds, until it is just browned on the outside. To maintain that perfect tenderness, always add your cooked beef back into the stir-fry at the very last moment, just to warm it through. Overcooking is the enemy of tender beef. After cooking, let the beef rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more succulent bite. For more great cooking tips and other deals, check the description below, and you'll also find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.